Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another farming sim video episode number 6. Today we are just waiting for the for the time to pass by. So while I'm doing that, I'm just gonna drive around my field or my farm to show you how we've progressed. So this is canola on my right side. We have placed some canola, and then on this other field, this field in front of me, there's also canola, and then it's oats and oats again. So we're just taking a nice little drive so that we can see what I did on this farm and how far we've come, because today is the big episode. Today we are harvesting all these crops, so that is going to be fun. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying this, and you can always unsubscribe. It is free. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will leave you guys with a little nice leisurely drive. Enjoy the bit. Okay, let's move all of this stuff out of the way, and so that we can begin on harvesting next month, which is almost. So we just get this thing right and the same. I can actually keep this around here because it's so small. Okay, now just turn off my lights, do this. Right. Okay. So now we just have to wait a little while. Okay, let's quickly hook up the John Deere again to the trailer. A little rain on the crops wouldn't hurt. That's good. Okay, I've set everything up. Let's go to Slippy Slip and wake up tomorrow to a new day and to the new harvest. And we have a new day. Now we can begin the harvest. I think this is gonna be a really nice harvest that we're doing. So hopefully we can get a lot of money from this so that I can plant grass, get the mowers, because I think my fucking my cows need some food. So I might just plant grass on this field or the next field. I'll see which one. I think I'll plant it on the next field because it's more like square shaped, so it's easier to do that. And then I also need, I think, a tether so I can put the so I can put all the grass in one section. So I need enough money for that because I have powerful enough tractors to be able to run mowers, so that should be fine. I just need to see if I have enough money to get the mowers and the tether so that I can do baling for the grass. So enjoy the time lapse. Okay, sorry boys. Okay, so now you should be able to hear the farming simulator sounds. I forgot to add that into my OBS for a moment, so hopefully now everything is correct. Sorry boys. But yeah, now you should be able to hear the audio of farming sim. we are almost done with this section or this field. Then we move on to the next one. Yay! Now let's continue. We're almost full, boys. We're almost full. Almost 93%. 7 more percent to go. Let's go. We are saving this canola for November. Alright. Okay, now begin the time lapse again. Well, just cut to the bit where I'm back. So I think on this, yes, on this land, I'm gonna plant the grass because it's more squared, so it's easier to do everything on it basically. I don't want to struggle with the fuck that land over there. I know it's not big, but it's just so that we can get a couple of bales just for the cows and stuff, because they have been starving. So I just need to get the cows sorted out before I do anything else. So after this, I'm gonna cultivate every field and plant grass on this field, and then I'll probably plant wheat or probably oats or canola again. On this one, I'm gonna plant maybe oats and canola. I will see which one. Because I think, if I'm not mistaken, so the best price now. Ooh, long grain rice is at an all-time high. Yeah, I think it's oats and sorghum, soybeans. Oh wait, if I do soybeans, what harvester do I need for soybeans? Does it tell you harvester? Okay, so this thing can also harvest. Okay, then I'm gonna do soybeans. Definitely. Just need to see when they are selling. Sunflower and okay, so soybeans, oats. Okay, so soybeans and canola I should focus on. I think, yeah. So when is soybeans planting season? Soybeans planting season is in May and harvest in October. Okay, that should be fine. Sunflower, sorghum, because oats and yeah, it's basically so oats I need to get on in March. I plant in March and April. And soybeans I plant in April and May, so I think I'm gonna plant my oats in April, so my soybeans are also planted in April. And then to harvest them in October. My oats is to harvest in July. I can maybe push it to August. Yeah, okay. I think oh, it's done. Okay. Let's quickly go pipe out everything. So which one is it? Pipe out. Oh, okay. Now that is done. Look at this. There we go. 6%. Okay, let's go do the oats now. I just need to check when the oats is gonna be ready. Okay, so take this to the silos, put it in there. Then I have to see when oats is at the highest price. I think oats is also in November if I'm not mistaken, but I could be mistaken. So let me just make sure while that unloads. Prices. Oats is December. Okay, so we keep the oats till December. Canola is November, and so 1 month apart basically. So that should be fine. Let me just park up here. There we go. Okay, so yeah. Now we just watch this guy again. No, sorry. Cultivating will happen in March. April will plant. And so we can get the soybeans also on the list. So what I might do as well now is just to get ready also for the baling process. I'll probably just see if I can put a front loader on this tractor for cheap. If I can't, then well, that's a bummer. And I also need a trailer, so that's gonna cost extra. So yeah, by next year we should have everything. So we can do the baling and the pickup of the bales. So this shouldn't be too hard, I don't think. Oh, the fucking stop sign. Oh, gosh damn it, everything's just going wrong. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Okay, this vehicle is now serviced. Let's see which tractors I can use. The 3-point attachers are... Yes, I'm gonna use this front loader. There we go. Okay, so after I bale, I can add the... Okay. So I don't have to buy a new tractor, thank goodness. Is this one a front loader? Oh, this can also... I might just use the... Oh no, but the flippin' Ford is gonna... Yeah, okay, no. Okay, then I'm just gonna bring the John Deere. So I'm gonna equip the John Deere with a front loader real quickly and get the front loader attachments along so that everything is ready for the bale. For the baling of the grass, so that I can just do everything quickly. I'll just take the tractor. I'll just take the Ford. It's not that difficult. Let's go. I might upgrade this thing's engine if I have the money. Let's go get the front loader attacher for this tractor, and I think we end the video there. Oh, fucking shit. Yeah, let's go. Oh, it is the exact same. So now that we have a front loader, we have everything we need. So I'll see you boys back at the farm. Okay, and we're back at the farm. Gotta turn on the Dodge. Oh, I need to get this guy back to there, because this guy is full. Don't know for how long he was full, but yeah, he's full. There we go. Now we're filling up on... Oops, okay. Okay, I think after this, or after this guy does this part of the field, then we're gonna end the video there. There we go. Oh, this guy is empty, so I can go put the trailer away, and then we just have to wait for the harvester to be completed. And he is also almost done. That's good. So I see you boys in the next episode, and please like and subscribe. You can always unsubscribe. It is free, and goodbye.